Measure out a half pound of butter melted. Add 1/3 of a cup of white sugar. I used cane sugar and 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar. Mix well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of orange zest or other flavors or extracts. Maple extract is very good in this recipe. Add the egg and mix well. Add 1 cup of flour and add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and mix well. Stir in 1/3 of a cup of shredded coconut. Stir in a half cup walnuts or any kind of nut. Stir in 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chips and 1/4 cup dried fruit. Drop spoonfuls onto parchment. Parchment is optional. Refrigerate the dough for 1 hour minimum before baking. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Bake for 20 to 30 minutes. When they look the consistency you like, pull it at 20 to 25 minutes for a softer, chewier cookie. Mine baked for 30 minutes. These cookies are so easy to make. Try it sometime.